So welcome to this video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to load your Windows 10 to load an 11th gen laptop. I'm using, for an example, this all new Spectra Core i7 11th generation. I'm going to load Windows 10 on it, but it's showing no hard drive found. So today I'm going to be showing you how to cure or how to remove that no hard drive found and reveal all the hard drives so you can load a Windows 10 on it. So once you plug in your flash drive, which will be loaded with a software, you can find the link to download the software on the description. If you download the software, you put it inside your Windows flash as a folder, extract it as a folder inside your Windows flash, and then plug in the Windows flash. You can see mine here. That's my Windows flash. Plug in the Windows flash, then turn the system on. That's the on button. Once you turn it on, you press the F9 key. See, changing boot order. You can see the 3 drives. So I'm going to be using my USB hard drive. Remember, you are making your flash drive bootable. It has to be a bootable flash drive with Windows in it. If you don't know how to make flash bootable, you see the link below on my other video showing you how to make your flash drive bootable. So let's continue. We choose our USB flash and then we hit enter. So it loads. See, that's the setup. So we click the next button. Click the install now button. On some cases your mouse pad might be working, but on this Spectra the mouse pad isn't working, so I'll make do with either an external mouse or my keyboard, but I can scroll with my keyboard, so I'll just click install now with the enter key. So it says setup is starting. Agree to the license terms. Next, you use the custom, that's this, enter. So you can see there are no hard drives showing, so you cannot load on any of the drive because there are none. So how to reveal your hard drive? Remember, once I told you earlier in this video that you have to download the software package. The link is on the description. Once you download it and you've put it inside your bootable flash, this is where you use that software. So I'm just going to go to load driver, click on that, and then it shows me to install the device driver to your drive. Inside the installation media. The installation media is already there, which is still my Windows flash. So I'm just going to go browse. You see? So I'm going to go to my USB drive and then open it. That is the file. Then I will click enter. So you can see it. Intel ROST VMD controller, that's what we are using, not the manage, the controller itself. So I'll click that. It should be running. It says it's finding compatible drives, still running. After this, you should see your hard drives that are, so you can see all the hard drives, the system hard drive, the partition 1, partition 3, which is the Windows that is already here, but I want to load the Windows 10 on it, and then you have a recovery partition. So then I'm going to load my Windows over this. So I'll just use the next button. So I'm now going to click on next. Partition you've chosen contains some files, it will be saved on Windows. I'm okay with that. So you can see the installation has started. So that's how to reveal your hidden hard drives from an 11th gen system, whether Core i5, i3, i7. Once it brings this issue, that is the solution. On this occasion, I'm using a Spectra 13 11th generation Core i7. So hope this video has been helpful. Once it's finished, it loads normal like your normal Windows 10 installation and the rest of it. So once it's done, it will keep loading and loading till it's done. Once it's done, your Windows will be ready for use. That's how to review the hard drive. I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Like this video so it can reach more people. Share it to your friends and family, and to your colleagues, your engineering colleagues who are finding it hard, thinking their hard drive is bad because it doesn't display. That is the general assertion, that a hard drive is bad if it doesn't display while you're installing it. Please use the software. The link is on the description below. You can see it's still loading. It's at 22%. The link is on the description below. Download it, extract it to your Windows bootable flash drive, and keep it there before you insert for installation, and you'll be fine. From me to you, it's the ICT doctor. My job here is done. Thank you.